Bondo. It's about an hour to get to Bondo, and we ask that people drive peaceably and without any situation. We pray. In fact, I want to ask one of the bishops to come and commit this journey before the Lord. Hapa tuko na clan elders wa Ukambani. James Kilonzo is here. He's like the king of Ukambani. So, and then we have also the council of elders. We have also the professionals here, led by Professor Mulubi. We also have the other Apex team, the bishops. The bishops are here, like Bishop Mwangangi and Archbishop Kituba, Apostle Musili. So, and then of course the members of parliament, the former members like Mheshimiwa Ezekiel Mweu, Mheshimiwa Patrice Ivuti, Mheshimiwa Ndoto is actually the chair of even the wing of Ngema upande of Mount Kenya South, literally, is here. And so we're very excited. I've just been talking to the Kamba local stations out there. And we are all united in mourning our late brother, Raila Amolo Odinga. That's why we come. And we like what we are seeing. People of Kisumu, people of Siaya really welcomed us. I spoke to Governor Jim Orengo. I think they're all waiting, supporting Mama Aida and the family. So that is what I want to say. Media, you can see we have really come. And kwa hivyo we also be driving animals literally. Hili ng'ombe imekuja itapelekwa kwa mguu. Tukifika huko inatungojea mahali and then tuwapelekee familia as a way of mourning. We have our Secretary General Shakila Abdallah there. We have also Ambassador Faye. It's literally all the friends of Raila who are here, including Wakili Njiru and Mheshimiwa Sisli Kariuki here, former CS. Mukunji is actually the chair, a member for Manyata, is the chair of young parliamentarians. If you remember, he was incarcerated wrongly and charged under Prevention of Terrorism Act. We are happy he's here with us, and many others who have come. The only clarification, United Opposition, no, we are here to also represent them. But I think Rigiji and others will also look for time to come and mourn our late brother. So we are all united. Mother Karua, Eugene Wamalwa, Natembea, Rigiji, I spoke to him last night. And of course we are also now strategizing on the pending by-elections. So some of them are very busy on that. Ona ndiye viangomena mona anasema representative wala vinye Kenya. So I think that's it. I see Victor and that very strong team from Nyamira, brother Ben Momanyi, very senior